In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a README file on GitHub. This is essential for any repository because it provides visitors with important information about your project, including what it does, how to install it, and what features it offers. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage. Look at the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to create the README file. Once you're inside your repository, look for the Add a README option. This option is usually visible when your repository doesn't already have a README file. Click on it to open the README editor. By default, the file will be named README.md. You can keep this standard name as GitHub automatically displays it on your repository's main page. Now, use the editor to add information about your project. Start with a clear project name and a short description explaining what your project does. You can then add sections for the key features, technologies used, and installation instructions. You can use Markdown formatting to organize the content and make the README easier to read. Once you've finished adding your content, look toward the upper right corner and click Commit Changes. A confirmation window may appear. Add a commit message if needed, then click Commit Changes again to save your README file. Your README will now appear on the main page of your repository, helping visitors understand your project and how to use it. And that's it! You've successfully created a README file on GitHub. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.